Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to import from Excel on Wrike. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to prepare your Excel file. You see, you need to organize your Excel sheet with columns for key right fields like the title, which is the tax name, the description, which is the tax details, the assignee, usernames of or emails of the assigned users, due dates for each tax should be there. The start dates for each tax, well, it's optional, but you can put it. The priority is the tax priority, that is high priority, medium, or low priority. Next, status. Tax status is like to do, in progress, or completed. Then you need to include columns for any custom fields you use in Wrike. Then don't forget the formatting, which is the next step after you've structured your Excel file. Next thing you need to do is format it. So you need to ensure that the data is entered correctly. That is, date in valid formats, usernames match your Wrike usernames. Next, avoid special characters or formatting that might cause import issues. Now, once you've prepared your Excel sheet, the next thing you need to do is let's shoot the Excel file. Next thing you need to do is access Wrike. By logging onto your Wrike account, navigate to the folder, to the project, or the space where you want to import the tax. Next, you have to initiate the import. How? Right click on the folder, project or space name, then select import and then select Excel. Then select the file you prepared, the Excel file you already prepared. Now Wrike will attempt to automatically map the columns in your Excel file to the corresponding fields in Wrike. So you need to review and adjust the mappings as needed. This is why you need to prepare your file to match Wrike. Moving on, once it has done that is Wrike has tried to automatically map the columns in your Excel file to the corresponding fields in Wrike, the next thing you're going to do is click next and then import to begin the process. So you click next and then you click import and the process of importation begins. Once it's done, you have to review and adjust. You see, after the import is complete, review the imported tax to ensure they were created correctly and make any necessary adjustments such as updating due dates or assigning users. That's it. That's all it takes. Now, here's some things you need to note. Number one, file size. There might be limitations on the size of the Excel file you can import. Also, accurate data mapping is crucial for a successful import. Make sure they match. Next, ensure your custom fields in Wrike match the column headers in your Excel file. Next, user access. The users mentioned in the Excel file must have access to the project or space where you are importing the tax. This is the thing you need to keep in mind when you're importing Excel file into Wrike. Anyway, that's it. That's all it takes. So by following these steps and carefully prepare your Excel file, you can efficiently import tax and the associated data into Wrike, saving you time and efforts. Please note that the specific steps and options may vary slightly depending on your Wrike plan and the current version of the Wrike interface you are using. Always refer to the official Wrike Help Center for the most up-to-date and accurate information. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.